guys, I officially sell fidget toys on my website, shopnicholejacklyn.com, as well as slime, fidgets, slime, merchandise, and more, shopnicholejacklyn.com. Hi you guys, what is up? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I am doing my Target slime and fidget haul, which I'm so excited for. If you guys haven't seen, I recently went to Target and I went fidget and slime shopping, and as promised, I'm going to do a haul slash review today. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe down below and like this video because I post new videos at least 4 times a week, and there's just always content on this channel. So if you love that, make sure you subscribe down below and turn the bell on as well to be notified whenever I upload a new video. If I should go to Five Below next and do another one of my fidget shopping videos at Five Below, get this video to 5,000 thumbs up and comment down below in all caps, "We want Five Below next." Like, get mad, get aggressive, all caps, caps lock, exclamation points, emojis. Let it be known, okay? Let's do that. And really fast announcement, my store is officially restocked. So my website is shopnicholejacklyn.com. I sell Pop-Its, I sell slime, I sell fidgets, stress balls, like literally all the fidgets ever. I have some stuff on the screen right here that I do sell. All the Pop-Its you could possibly imagine. Snap toys, tangles, wacky tracks, what they call puzzle balls, literally so many things. Like, it's all there. It's all there, it's all there. It's all linked down below in my store, shop.nicholejacklyneyt.com. Go and check it out, and yeah, we have really fast shipping. Let's hop on in to this Target review of my slime and fidgets. So we have lots of things here. We have this Pop-It, which is a letters and numbers Pop-It, and it's quite dense actually. I have some silly putty, 2 stress balls. This is a normal one, then we have this color changing one, which I love, which by the way, I'm going to start selling these on my store soon. The ones that change colors. I'm obsessed with them. Like, whenever I'm at home working, I always grab for these stress balls or the like similar feeling. So I was like, why don't I sell these yet? So coming soon. Of course, when it does come, I'll post a restock my fidget store with me, and then TikToks and just the whole thing. Yeah, this Pop-It also, it's a gorgeous one. It's literally beautiful and rainbow. And then I also have these from Orb. It's cookie goo. It's great. They're like macaroons with goo inside apparently. And we have these squishies, and then we have this from Orb Slimy as well, which is called Goo's Twist Cones. Looks very cute. So I'm very hyped for these. So I'm gonna actually start. Let's start with this, the cookie goos. These are super fun. There's 3 different kinds. They're incredibly, like, I can't explain it to you, but they're so dense, which makes me feel like it's gonna be a putty. Because they are super dense. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at these macaroons. They're, look at the macaroons. They're so beautiful. Oh, this is a cute container too. Very neon, very pretty. Let's open this up. Ooh, yeah, open it up. Flex those muscles. Okay, how do you open this? Do you just pop it open? Do you pull it apart? Okay, yeah, you pull it apart. Bless. It's meant for like a 2-year-old, and I'm 25 and can figure it out, so that's cool. So we have the 3 macaroons here that are filled with the slime. And you guys, this is actually really good. Look at this. I love this. It's not scented, but it's a very pretty color. Interesting. It's totally like a putty, and it's thicker. It rips obviously, but it's kind of like nice still. I really like how this one feels. This is actually super nice. with this. Okay, so this is the green one. Look at how pretty that is. Wow. If you pull it slow, it won't rip as easily. There's still, but you know. And it's kind of like the thing where it gets pretty foggy pretty fast. Yeah, but it's really pretty. They're like clear putties, kind of slimy, like slimy putties. I really like this. This is cool. You have the pink one. Okay, this is a pretty great considering these are from Target. These are awesome. I love the hot pink with my nails too. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is amazing. She's amazing. Love this. Truly, this is incredible. Okay, I obviously love these so much. They're from Target. I will link these down below. I'm gonna link everything in the order that I mentioned it. So I will link these first down below if you wanna shop Target's website. It looks so cute on your desk and it's just like a hidden, super cute. Oh, let me pull this putty out real quick. Love that, super fun. Okay, dying to play with this poppet. This poppet is so pretty. It's like a gorgeous tie-dye rainbow. Meant for ages 3 to 10. Perfect. Oh, has a little sticker in it, or a little thing. Oh, it gives you like a game to play. That's fun. Okay, oh, look at this. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's very sturdy too, which is awesome. Look at that. This is so pretty. The colors are insane. Oh, and it says, pop it on top. I love these. Now for the loud side. This is so pretty. I want to just like wear it like a badge of honor. Love that. That's too fun. Okay, next up we have, let's do the stress balls. This is from Amazing Slime. They're stress balls from Amazing Slime. Whoa, this is quite interesting. Okay, so you can see there's like a hesitation to it. Like it's so interesting. Why is, oh, that looks bad. I'm always scared it's gonna explode on me. Ooh, go back. Oh my gosh, behold. It's super nice, you guys. I live for this. If you want to see me do a DIY stress ball video like this video, comment down below because I have some really cool ideas. And these are actually super easy to make with the fishnet kind of thing on the outside. So you have to do it. I'm here all day, honestly. Ooh, don't do that. I hate when one gets super large. Okay. and then this other one is the same thing, but it's color changing. This one is orange to green. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Like, it's mesmerizing. I love it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Yee. This is incredible. Blah. Oh. It freaks me out, you know? It could so easily rupture. It can go everywhere. So these are really fun too. Something about them is just so fun. The color changing ones are really cool. They also have like purple and blue and all the different kinds of colors. They only had this one when I was there this time. But I live for these. I'm always stressed, so it works. So next up we have some Silly Putty. Now Silly Putty is, to me, like a classic OG stress toy, fidget toy, I mean. Ooh, look at the eggs, all the eggs of Putty. Ooh. So, oh my gosh, this texture, and it gets super stretchy. Oh my gosh, I forgot how fun this stuff is. It is literally so cool. It looks like bubblegum. It literally feels like it too. This is so iconic. Okay, so you have the pink one. And there's also the gray. I want to get them all out of their capsules. You have this light green one. Oh, this is supposed to be red. Looks like tan. And this is yellow. I kind of want to mix them, not gonna lie. Ooh. So fun. I mean, I have not done this in forever, and it's the most fun thing ever. This is the red. Ooh. And this is the green. We have the yellow. Spreadsheets. Wow. This is so fun. I'm not gonna mix them because I don't want to ruin them. But it's just like the best. Comment down below if you guys have Silly Putty or you grew up playing with it, because I definitely did. This was one of those things that we always played with, was Silly Putty or Play-Doh. Such a good memory, you know? Like all the good memories. Just the wholesome youth memories. Next up, we have some squishies. So we have these squishies. They're from Amazing Squishy. They are 2 donuts, which is super cute. Ooh, it looks delicious. Yum. That sounds so good right now. Donuts. Oh, that sounds delicious. Look at these squishies. They're very soft. I like them when they're like that. When they're like, you know, they're not super like low rising. They're just like super soft. They don't like stay, they don't have that super like dense feeling. They're kind of just like a nice squishy. I love these. Squishies. Who else watches Mariah Elizabeth's makeover videos of these squishies? I do, and I find it to be so fun. For sure. Oh, I love them. So what a cute little haul. We have squishies and macaroons and donuts. Cute. Let's go to this one next. This is the twist cones. Twisty cones. Make your own slimy creations. Ooh. This is very cute, actually. Cute. Ooh, we have some Fruit Loop looking accessories. Ooh, we have this unicorn topper. Sprinkles, more sprinkles, a heart, and a rainbow, as well as this beautiful, I think it's pre-made ice cream one. Oh, cool. The bottom of it also has blue slime. I was wondering if there's a picture of blue slime, and I was like, where is this blue slime? I'm gonna kind of use this as my example. Okay. Ooh, slime in a bag. We have slime in a bag. There's that one, and then there's the pink one. Oh my gosh, what? No. All those chemicals just leaked. So many chemicals onto my stomach. Oh, that was fun. Yeah, it's all over this table. It's like oily. Okay, that aside, if the slime is fine, this oh my gosh, this reminds me so much of the Play-Doh slimes, except it's butterier and it smells really good. I mean, has the like fake artificial smell. That smells good to me. Get all that oil. Get that oil. It's probably just like from settling, which I get, but that was so gross. It got on my skin. It freaks me out. Okay, but in all seriousness, this is a great slime. Oh my gosh, it's super airy, yet it's thick and super nice and stretchy. Okay, period. This is super awesome. This is totally gonna it's already inflating a little bit too. Look at this inflating. Perfect. Amazing. Okay, well then I don't understand. We probably put this divider in for that picture because there's no way it comes out the top that much with this little slime. No, it's not possible. But I do want to make it look cute for the video, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna place this topper on here. It's hard to do with the correct one. Very cute. And there's lots of little sprinkles. There's actually so many sprinkles. I'm gonna like dunk it in like we're in an ice cream shop. Oh my gosh. Oh no, oh no. Wait, this is so cute. Look at that. This is adorable. I put the unicorn horn on top. But I kind of want to use these charms. They're gummy. Oh my gosh. Wait, that's really cool. These are cute. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is adorable. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is adorable. And I love that it comes pre-made. You can totally take these out after you've already made it and then make like a different one if you wanted to. Oh my gosh. They definitely come out pretty easily. Yeah, but it's so cute. Sprinkles are great. The slime is great. The add-ins are fun. They just fall out a little easily, but they're really cute, you guys. I'm thoroughly impressed. For me, like, the add-ins could be subpar, but the slime has to be good. Because at this point, it's like the most important part of the whole thing. But this is really good. Love this. Also, do the blue. I think it's cool that it comes with the storage in the bottom, but you almost, I mean, can you store it in this? I guess you kind of could store it like that. Yeah, that works actually. That's nice. Oh my gosh. Yeah, they're definitely wet. Ew. Like, it's straight up sudsy. It's like, okay, why is that happening? Like, it's wet. That's so weird. It's like, is it safe, you know? You know what it could be is the scent oil. Probably doesn't mix with the chemicals that it, I don't know, it's weird. It's hard to tell because with homemade slime, you can pretty much tell instantly with what's wrong. But with this, it's like there's preservatives inside of it, so I don't know what preservatives are doing what. So cute. This all. Dun, 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 dun. Love. Okay, I'm gonna get this other one all decked out. I love these sprinkles. These are really cute. Just like soft serve. Cute. Let's roll a little bit of purple. Do the top with rainbow. I have to push this up a little bit. Miss Girl. Wow, that's cute. It's very cute. All right, let's add the heart this time. And we'll do the Fruit Loop pieces. Like, these are really cute, you guys. We will just do everything. It's so fun. Like, this is a really cool thing. There's also the unicorn, the rainbow. It's like an explosion of everything on this one. Slimy cones. Perfect. This is really good. I am enthralled with this. Okay, clearly I'm obsessed with this one. I'm going to take the pink out and put this on the bottom. And then restack this. Okay, let's cover that up. Let's cover these up. Let's get these little ingredients back in their places. Okay. Let's cover these up too. Oh my gosh. I just dumped all of those sprinkles. Some good sprinkles too. I mean, you get like a decent amount of sprinkles. You really could make your own slime after with them. Cute. Okay, so we have that. And we have these here. And now we're going to get this last thing. This is the letters and numbers Pop-It. It's very cute. The never-ending bubble popping and learning game. totally great if you're learning the alphabet, but obviously I'm not. But it's very fun. Oh, it's so dense. Oh wow, this is a very nice poppet. Oh, it's super hard. Like, you really can't bend it as easily. It says, chuckle and roar, pop it. This is the quiet side, obviously. Oh, it's so dense that you have to push them down so hard. Buttons, okay, and then you have the side. This is very nice. All the alphabets, and it has A through Z and then 0 to 9. Definitely like a tougher poppet. You can tell because they pop back up. That's how you know it's super tight. That's like a dense pop to it. Love. Okay, wow, this is like a really fun video to film, honestly. This was squishies and stress balls. Oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. I love these. But yes, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. If I should do more shopping review videos, comment down below where I should buy from next and then review. Should I buy from Amazon? Should I buy from Five Below? Or what stores, like Hallmark? Different toy stores. I'm always open to knowing what I should do. Let me know down below in the comments, and get this video to 5,000 thumbs up if I should do a Five Below review of their slime and their poppets and fidgets next, because they have some really cool poppets there as well, and I would love to do that. But just you guys, I will also have my store linked down below. It's shop.nicholejacklyn.com. We have all that you see on the screen right here in stock right now. So many poppets, so many fidgets, so many slimes, slime supplies even, and really cool stuff. And make sure you guys use the code FIDGET15 to save 15% off your entire order. And I'll see you guys with a new video very soon. Love you guys so much, and yeah, all right guys, bye, love ya. Oh gosh, I love these.